everybody, happy Wednesday. Today is February 25th, 2009, and we're halfway through this last week in February. Today we are working on, as our Origami of the Day project, a Nightingale, and it is very, very easy, and it's going to be a fast one. So get your paper ready, and we'll get through this one very quickly today. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is to start out with your paper with the white side facing up, and you're going to fold your piece in half on the diagonal, like this. The next step is going to be to take this bottom flap here and fold it up like so, so that just a little bit of it is peeking up above this line here, like that. Now, very simply, you're going to take this piece and now fold it in half, like this. And then in order to get ready for the next fold, you're going to turn it like this. Now I told you these were fast. This was a fast one, and we're down to the last two folds. And we're doing the same thing on each side of the bird to complete this nightingale. And what we're going to do is just fold up the wings. So the first one on this side, like that. Flip your paper around and fold up the wing on this side, like that. And that is as simple as it gets. That's your nightingale. So I told you this one was a simple one today. Tomorrow is the special origami of the day, where we will be using a crisp $1 bill. So be prepared for that one tomorrow. And it's kind of a bizarre one, I have to admit, but it's the one that's the Thursday model, so I'm sticking with the calendar here and doing them all. But you'll be surprised, I think, when when you see what it is that we're folding out of a dollar bill. I don't understand it, but nevertheless, we're going to do it because that's what the calendar says. So I will see you back here tomorrow. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and before you know it, the week will be over. So take it easy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.